consistent, I ain't lying. Hey.
YouTube, what's good? I'm back with another one. It's dirty. How y'all doing? I ain't been giving y'all no work, but I've been working. I've been grinding, you know. Look at that, y'all. That's dirty. Oh, that is dirty. We about to take care of it. Y'all know what we do. We about to clean all this up. I'm about to remove all that. Put my solution on all this. They gonna make some good marketing pictures too. Clean this as much as we can. I got solutions for that. That's nothing. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We out here, Decatur, Georgia. Outside, we not doing the driveway, not doing none of this concrete. But we is washing this house. We're not cleaning none of that. We is washing this as much as possible. We're gonna wash all that too. Just the walls, not the patio. We is gonna wash this. We're not washing none of this. We're gonna blow it down though. We're gonna spray it down. We're gonna put the chemicals on this, spray this down as much as possible, but we're not removing none of this. We're gonna wash it though. We're gonna blow it down with water, you know what I'm saying? No solution, because we're not being paid to clean it. Let's get it, y'all. Let's set up and let's go. Right here and connect. I got a full tank already. Couple before at me, you connect to your customer's water. There you go, right there. Answer your question. Yeah, so my solution to come through. There you go. I'm about to spray this whole thing down. The walls, the floor, everything. Get it sprayed down, y'all. Start on this floor. Really, I'm about to get everything sprayed down. This whole house. This wall, all that. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to spray everything down real quick. Cause all of it need good dwell time. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna spray all this down. Gonna knock this floor out with my surface cleaner. You know what I'm saying? And then if I need more on there, with a turbo nozzle, whatever we need to do, that's about to we about to make that look good. Watch. Alright, y'all did go ahead on and spray a lot of this already. I'm just respraying it again to get a good thick coat on it. You can see it's killing it. Just to get a good thick coat on it, you know, make sure it's all coated with that SH real good. You know, I done sprayed everything on that side of the house and this front of the house and be getting good dwell time. I am downstreaming too, so I got my X-Jet on the truck. I'm about to buy me I'm about to buy the business a couple of things for Christmas, and the soft wash system gonna be one. We're gonna add a new truck. We've been procrastinating, but now it's time. All right, let's go and knock this flow out real quick. I had to come back up in here one more time. I really gave everything, I really hit everything 3 times, 3 good times. Well, I hit it twice, then I did the garage floor, and then I just sprayed it on there again, let it dwell some more. Look at it. I can hit that with the turbo nozzle. Man, just watch what I'm about to do, y'all. I'm gonna go over here and hit this some more too. Spray some more solution on this too. Clean it up. I'm gonna put that turbo nozzle on that, but you can look it up. Look it up. It's coming off now. It's just on there real thick. Look it up. It's just on there real thick. I really could have put my X-Jet on there, but I don't feel like walking around with that pail, man, with that heavy 5-gallon pail. I don't feel like it, y'all. So I'm gonna downstream it. You know, go on and hit everything again. I'm shooting a good mix though. So it look good though. You can, I can see a major difference in it. To let that dwell. Oh yeah. You can tell, look it up. That's gone. I'm gonna spray this down in here again too. This is my 2nd time spraying in here though. I ain't spraying nothing else as much as I sprayed them walls up there in that front. I ain't sprayed everything else too. This is my 2nd time spraying this. I done sprayed all of that 2-3 times. But it's working. I know it's working, but I'm just saying, you know. Spray that on there. Let it kill whatever dirt and mold and mildew that still may be lingering. Don't be scared with that solution, especially if you got enough of it. Oh yeah. Stay tuned. Everything a good rinse. I'm gonna get a little touch up on that back side. and I'm out of here. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. All right, y'all, this is what we got. I do got solution to remove that red dirt. I'm gonna show y'all a couple of solutions I got in my truck that I use to remove red dirt. But they didn't want to pay for the upsell, so I ain't remove it. But it's clean, everything else clean, no more mold, mildew. This wall looks great. I post-treated it as well when I got done. All this is clean. Blowed all that down real good. Give them an idea what that driveway will look like. Clean that up for them. All this is clean. This carport look good. No more green. I post-treated this too. Remember that little wall? Clean. All of this. Clean. Clean, y'all. This wall, cleaner than it's gonna get. You ain't gonna get no cleaner than that. This, oh no, I put my solution, I put a hot mix on it, everything. I post-treated it. I just post-treated it. Hopefully the rain or something will kill it. I don't know what it is. It ain't coming off. Maybe it's part of the brick. These kind of bricks, maybe it's part of that. I don't know. But I just touched this up a little bit going around. I did not clean this or that. None of that. I ain't cleaned none of the wood stairs, but I cleaned the house. All of that's clean. I did not clean none of this walkway, none of that or that going around. But I sprayed my solution on it though, but I ain't clean it. I ain't really cleaned this like I could have, but I sprayed my solution on it. Wet it and forget it. It's gonna be a wet and forget it. I'm gonna let Mother Nature clean that up. But it looked 100% better than what it was looking when we got here. We wasn't hired to clean that. We'll be back soon. That's clean. Clean as it's gonna get. This wall is post-treated. I got a heavy solution on it, heavy straight SH on it. No downstream mix. That's what we got. That's what it is. They need us anymore. We done been paid. They checked it out. They like what they got. And we out of here, man. Look at that. One more time for y'all. How clean that came out. What's up? Y'all ain't seen me the whole video, ain't it? Been working. But this what I want to show y'all. I was telling y'all, if they would have paid for the upsell, that would have got it off easily. I could have just put it in my pump-up sprayer or even that a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And it would have came off of there. What else we got? I got some mud away from Hot Wash Atlanta. It works good. And I got some Bulldog in here somewhere. It works good too. So yeah, if she would have paid for the upsell, I would have most definitely removed it. All of that right there. If she would have paid for the upsell, that'll be gone right now. That'll be gone right now. But we out of here, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. I'm going to drop more, y'all. I'm going to drop more, I promise, man. I just been working. I got a lot on my plate, but I'm ready to eat. I fixed that plate myself. You know what I'm saying? We out of here, man. Lord, y'all be safe. If you in the Atlanta area, Decatur area, all surrounding areas, hit us up. Follow us on all social media platforms. And we out of here.